Hi YouTube viewers, this is Planet Adobo once again. And I'm very glad to share with you a special unboxing video of a new rifle that I just recently acquired maybe a couple of days ago. It's the Ruger PC Carbine or Carbine. I will pronounce it as Carbine, that's what I'm used to. And here it is. It comes with this normal box. It's a cardboard box. They did not spend so much time on treating the cardboard box because what is inside is a very beautiful rifle. And without further ado, this is the Ruger PC Carbine. And before I proceed, I just want to make it clear to everybody that there's no live ammunitions or rounds around during this entire process of this video. And voila, let's open this baby. All right, yeah, it's the regular thing when you buy a gun. Comes with the regular literatures, promotional stuff, manual, and standard. The cable lock, it comes with a cable lock. And this is, I believe, a Picatinny rail M-lok attachment right here with an Allen wrench. These are the stock inserts, just to increase the length of pull, and they are plastic or nylon. It comes with one magazine, and I believe this is the SR9 magazine. So if you have SR9 magazines from Ruger's pistols, you can use any SR series magazine for this PC Carbine. Comes with several Allen wrenches too over here. And what is so beautiful with this platform is they included everybody, so that everybody can enjoy the PC Carbine from Ruger. They actually considered to put in a Glock 9 magazine insert, so it takes any standard Glock 9 magazines, like Glock 17, Glock 19, Glock 34. Those are the things you can use for this one. All right, and here it is. This is the rifle. Let's see if we can get it up. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay. Look at that. But as you can see, there's a open chamber indicator over here. It means that there's no round inside the chamber of this rifle. And just so you know, the initial introduction of this PC Carbine, it doesn't have this extended handguard, and it's just the regular mid forearm stock that they have. Now they upgraded it. This is the upgraded version. This is just this was just released like early this year, April of this year, and I got it. It's now August, and that's why I'm very excited. And I told you in the beginning of the video, this is a very special unboxing video, and this is my first pistol caliber carbine, so that's why I'm very excited. I plan to use it for local competitions over here, and I believe that there are some professional shooters now that are using this platform because it's really easy to use, they said. Out of the box, you can shoot it in competition. Just the good thing with this PC Carbine is there's so many things that you can do to make it shoot better, although this is already an awesome platform. Okay, this is just supposed to be a unboxing video, but then I'll give you a little bit background of what's going on over here. So it has the receiver has a Picatinny rail so that you could put optics or red dots over there, and it's a dead blowback action. So this is apparently, according to the literature and Ruger, it's a tungsten dead blowback action. And this is the handguard is extended up to the tip of the barrel. This is a aluminum anodized handguard. It's supposed to be light. There are some aftermarkets also that you can use, but this is the upgrade. So you can you can actually buy this soon, according to Ruger, in their website, and from them they were going to release that you can just buy this forearm over here. Another thing is this is a nylon synthetic buttstock. It's a little bit heavy, I could assure you that, but as long as you're utilizing the proper way of shooting and everything, it's not supposed to be an issue. There are some added kind of gripping over here, soft butt plate. This is where you're going to put the inserts I told you to increase the length of pull. This is the handguard. This is actually M-lok attachments, so anything M-lok you can put it over here. This is a free-floating handguard. So as you can see, there are some aftermarket stuff that are not free-floating. They are attached to, you attach it to the barrel over here, but this is a free-floating handguard, which is all rifles supposed to be like that, because you know the issue of not free-floated handguards. The front side is just a steel front sight, nothing special, but it works. And the rear side is the same, but the best thing over here is you put a red dot on the receiver, or you can attach an M-lok attachment over here and put a red dot on the forearm itself or on the handguard itself. And this is still a takedown rifle. This is actually based on the Ruger 1022. That's the blockbuster release from Ruger, and this is a takedown. I want to show you how to take it down. So you lock it, remove this, the open chamber indicator. There's a release over here. You just have to pull it down and then twist it. Oh, voila, there it is. And it attaches the same way. It's not I'm just a little bit of extra careful because this is my rifle. I don't want to mar it or anything, so hold on, guys. It's there, you go, all done. So this is a very good, nice rifle. This is nice release from upgrade from Ruger, the PC Carbine with extended handguard. Oh, by the way, before I forget, this is a compensator friendly barrel. That's what I'm saying. You can attach a compensator over here. There's a thread locker over here. You can attach compensators or muzzle brake, however you call it. This is, the trigger is very crisp according to the ads that I've been reading, and it's supposed to be like under 2.5 pounds of trigger pull, and there are some upgrades also that you can do with that to make it a little bit lighter again. Aftermarkets for the charging handle, and the magazine release is actually, you can interchange to the other side, including the charging handle. You can put it on the other side, so there's no issue. This is a very, very modifiable and upgradable platform. I'm planning to use it for competition, so well, I'm gonna make some more videos regarding the upgrades that I'm gonna do with this rifle. And thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing my channel. It's all about pistols and rifles and guns, special stuff. So subscribe if you haven't yet, and catch me on my next videos. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put some more videos regarding the upgrades and modifications that I'm gonna do with this PC9 Ruger Carbine, the extended handguard version. Alright, this is Planet Adobo once again, and mahalo to everybody.